The most expensive plumbing repairs we see usually start with someone trying to save a few $100s. A temporary patch, a quick seal, that should hold for now. And sometimes it does, until it doesn't. Here's how small plumbing shortcuts quietly turn into major financial damage. 1. Leaks don't stay small. They travel. A dripping pipe under a sink looks contained. It isn't. Water follows gravity and structure. It seeps into subflooring, drywall, insulation, and framing. By the time staining becomes visible, moisture has often been present for weeks. Wood absorbs, drywall weakens, mold finds opportunity. We've inspected homes where the original issue was a minor fitting leak, but the structural remediation cost far exceeded the plumbing repair itself. Water damage compounds invisibly. That's the danger. 2. Temporary sealants are not structural repairs. Pipe tape, epoxy putty, and clamp-style patches have limited applications. They are not replacements for proper joint reassembly, pipe section replacement, or pressure-tested repairs. When homeowners rely on surface-level sealing, internal pressure still exists. Water systems operate under constant pressure. Even minor fluctuations stress compromised joints. At Superior Plumbing and Heating, we routinely find repaired sections that failed not because the product was bad, but because the underlying issue was never resolved. Sealants hide symptoms. They don't remove causes. 3. Drain chemicals can destroy pipes. Clogged drain? Many people reach for chemical cleaners. Those chemicals generate heat and use aggressive compounds to break down blockages. Over time, especially in older metal pipes, that repeated exposure weakens pipe walls and accelerates corrosion. You might clear the clog, but you may also be reducing pipe lifespan significantly. Professional drain clearing methods use mechanical tools and inspection cameras to address blockages without degrading pipe integrity. Short-term convenience can create long-term structural damage. 4. Incorrect installations create hidden failures. Improper slope on drain lines, incorrectly sized fittings, over-tightened compression joints. These issues may not fail immediately, but plumbing systems rely on correct pressure distribution and flow dynamics. When installation isn't done to code, stress accumulates over time. We often encounter systems where a budget install eventually resulted in slab leaks, burst joints, backflow issues. The original savings disappear quickly when structural repair becomes necessary. 5. The real cost isn't the pipe, it's the damage around it. Plumbing repairs are rarely the expensive part. The expensive part is flooring replacement, cabinet damage, drywall reconstruction, mold remediation, insurance deductibles. The pipe is simple. The environment it damages is not. At Superior Plumbing and Heating, licensed and insured technicians approach repairs as infrastructure protection, not surface patchwork. Because plumbing systems are integrated into the structure of your home, and structural systems don't respond well to shortcuts. A cheap fix feels efficient in the moment, but plumbing doesn't reward improvisation. If a repair involves pressure lines, concealed piping, or recurring issues, the cost of proper diagnosis is almost always lower than the cost of delayed correction. Saving money is smart. Saving money the wrong way isn't.